So this is sort of a security upgrade video. I was gonna do the whole thing, and then I messed up the filming of it, and I had to lock back together. And so I took this schlage that I have, and I took the 5 standards out, and I put in 5 of the tapered Tessa T60 pins, and they fit. So I figured give it a shot. It actually, as far as the other things I've tried, it actually worked out pretty good. But I figured I'd do a video of me opening it. I didn't have any new locks to mess with, and so I figured I'd build one. So let's see. That's on 1, 2, 3. I click out 4. And I click out 4. Another on 5. 1, 2. Another on 3, 4, or 5. Alright, we're going to start that over again because I think I did something wrong. 1, 2. I'll click out 3, 4. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we might be getting somewhere with it now. 1, 2, 5, maybe. 1. 3. 2. Okay, we got it open. I mean, it's a very, very big step up from the standard pins that were in the schlage. The tapered serrated pins actually work pretty decently in this thing. If anybody that makes videos wants to try this lock, just my email for my channel is in the description. So just shoot me an email. Let me know if you want to try it, and I'll send it out to you.